Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix you can't send message for 3 days. Please see the community guidelines. So first of all, I will tell you what are the reasons behind this error. The first reason is as that you have shared any kind of 18 plus content in chats, or you have sent any kind of spam message in your chat, or you have violated any kind of community guidelines in chats. So without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. For the solution, what you have to do is you have to uninstall Instagram and reinstall Instagram from Play Store so that your Instagram app may be updated and all the kind of errors may be solved by the updated version of the Instagram app. If the problem is still there, what you have to do is you have to open the Instagram and you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings. After that, you have to click on help. After that, you have to click on report a problem. Here, you have to report that problem to Instagram team so that they can solve for you as soon as possible. Here you have to explain the problem to Instagram team as, hello Instagram team, please solve my problem. My problem is as you can send message for 3 days. See community guidelines. I have not violated any community guidelines. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. Moreover, you can also attach screenshot of the problem you are facing, and you can also attach screenshot from the gallery as well. After doing all that, you can click on next and your problem will be submitted to Instagram team, and within few days your problem will be solved. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.